Touch the name. What is Tibetan Tummo Yoga? Du in Tibetan language means demon or devil. Mo means family or mother. It's a powerful force, mother word. Tummo means the powerful force within you. Then my force be with you. But when they're force with your good moon or your good heart, they will become the beneficial for yourself and others. But if your heart is fully emotion, ego, jealousy, anger, and fear, and ignorance, then the force will become the biggest destruction for yourself and others. So Tummo's teaching, Tummo teaching, the Tummo technique is invented by the many great yogis and yoginis in Himalaya. Spend life after life and meditate and study our precious human body. And from that understanding, that dedication and devotion, they realize the precious gift within the force, us, is prana, is a breath. So they never waste every single breath. Every breath is a meaningful breath. Every breath you take in is gratitude. And every breath you give him back is offering, generosity. From every single moment, spontaneously living with that understanding of inhale and exhale, your life become better, your body become more healthy. That is simple and a very easy way to understanding of Tummo. And how to pursue the goal of Tummo, which there are so many techniques. Prana teaching is a very big vast, like oceans full in the space, infinite. But you can just simply focus, sitting comfortable, keep your back straight. Just simply you take an inhale from your nose gently and slowly and relax. Completely and slowly exhale.